एवरीवन, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू माय चैनल अगेन। मैं हूँ विदिता और आज के इस ब्लॉग में मैं कोई खास रेसिपी लेकर नहीं आई हूँ। हालांकि ये रेसिपी ही है बट ये किड्स से रिलेटेड है। मीन्स मैं कोई एक्टिविटी करने जा रही हूँ आज बच्चों के साथ, क्योंकि कोरोना के टाइम पे बच्चे घर रह के बहुत ही ज़्यादा बोर हो गए हैं। उनके पास करने के लिए कुछ खास चीज़ें नहीं हैं। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस है, बस वो बाहर खेलने नहीं जा पाते हैं और फिजिकल इतनी एक्टिविटी नहीं हो पाती है और मेंटली भी वो इतने रिफ्रेश नहीं हो पाते हैं, क्योंकि वो कहीं भी बाहर नहीं घूमने जा सकते हैं, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो अगर अलग अलग तरह की चीज़ें, अलग अलग तरह की एक्टिविटी हम उनको घर में ही करवाएं तो घर में ही वो बहुत हैप्पीली रह सकते हैं और रिफ्रेश भी फील करेंगे। तो चलिए कुछ किड्स एक्टिविटी करते हैं। तो आज मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ ऑरेंज केक। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। मैं हूँ विदिता
And I am Shomik.
and
Today we are going to make orange cake. So let's start with me and my mama.
so what is this, Shomik?
Sugar.
And we put first sugar.
And then yogurt.
Yes, then we'll put yogurt half cup, and then
We have to mix it.
Mix
and
it.
Mix. Like this. Mix for 2 minutes. And now I'm going to put butter.
yes, it's 2.5 tablespoon of
Butter.
melted butter.
Melted butter.
Yeah, mix it. And then we put milk powder, 2 tablespoon of milk powder for making cake delicious. Mix it, mix it. Mix it properly like this. Well done.
I can smell the milk powder very nice.
Are you happy?
Yeah. I'm enjoying so much to make cake. If the sugar has melted, then next we have to put orange juice because this is orange cake.
So let's start mixing. Mix it. And here I put half bowl of orange juice.
Oh,
And it smells so nice.
I can smell orange.
Yes, I can also. Mix it, mix it, mix it.
Full bowl of one
All-purpose flour.
all-purpose flour.
Wait.
This much.
Mix it, mix it, mix it.
I'll put this much.
Wait. And mix it
I'll put
properly.
and mix. Put. Now I'm going to put 1 pinch of food color.
Mix it. Mix. Well done.
Now we'll put half tablespoon of baking soda.
And 1 full tablespoon of
Baking powder.
yes, very good. So this one is baking powder. Mix it.
Batter is already done, and now I'm going to put the batter in the bowl in which my mother has put oil, and I'm spreading it now.
And now I'm going to put little bit all-purpose flour also and spread it. Spread properly in walls also, all the side. Wait. Here also, everywhere. Okay. And now I'm going to transfer this batter. So let me transfer. It's done.
No.
Give me. It's done now.
Now it's done.
So let's transfer.
Wow.
It's looking so nice. Just tap it.
Now what we have to do, Mama? We are going to bake this cake in kadhai but not in oven. My delicious cake is ready in 40 minutes. Now it's cold. Now my mama is going to take this cake out.
Okay, so let's take out.
Fast.
Yes. We'll see it will come out nicely or not.
It can also not come out nicely.
Oh, so delicious cake. So beautiful. Keep it like this. And you can see.
Mama, it's so delicious. I want to eat it now. You can also make cake at your home like me. And if you like my mama's channel, please like, comment and subscribe the channel. Let's cut the cake, me and my mama together.
How is this? It's good? So if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching.